Good morning, everybody. It's perDrA back in the garden. Oh, it's still winter. We're gonna go down to 25 this Saturday, but today it's kind of springy in beautiful Athens, Georgia here, and you can see I got leaves coming out and daffodils up. And I actually want to show you some of these daffodils. I'm usually not a huge daffodil sharer, but this is really beautiful. I've found a grand source of daffodils with high quality and lots of diversity. This one is called Pink Charm. I rather like it. I put them very close together, as you can tell, and it's they'll disappear after a time, and the toad lilies and various other things will come up, but they're really quite pretty. So here you go, Pink Charm daffodils. Let's have some good fun in the garden.